Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This video discusses about various different kinds of five international journal will be discussed. Okay, so those journals are comes under Elsevier publishers and also indexed in more highly impacted indexed databases such as Elsevier, which means Scopus, Science Citation Index, and the Science Citation Index has been releases list. Okay, so let's move to our video. First journal is knowledge based systems. Okay, so this journal is uh, two public options. One is open access and the subscriptions. Okay, so you can see uh, full aim of scope, international and interdisciplinary journal. Okay, so especially for artificial intelligence field. Okay, so the journal current leading topic are machine learning, data science, and these are all the covered by this. And the specialist is also welcome. Uh, so this site score is 11.3 and impact factor is 8.038. Well, highly impacted journals. Okay, so this is Science Citation Index and also Web of Science and also Scopus. Okay, so second journal is Applied Software Computing. This is an international and highly impacted journal. So this will be covered fuzzy logic, neural network, evolutionary computing, and RepSet and other similar techniques. So these are all the major topic and the area of applications will be accepted. Okay, so you can see other impact factor like site score is 11.2 and impact factor is 6.725. Publication time is 1 week after acceptance of the paper. So this has been indexed in various well-known databases such as Scopus, Science Citation Index Expanded List, and also remaining this. One is Persistence and Systems. So this is also international journal in information science and engineering. Okay, this will be publishing two options: open access and subscriptions. This has site score is 7.3 and impact factor is 3.34, and this has been indexed in various well-known databases, many databases such as Scopus, Science Citation Index, and also Web of Science. Okay. Fourth one is computers and mathematical with applications. So this is also an international journal with the two options for publishing the paper, open access and subscriptions, and also there are various mathematical and computers and mathematical application related papers will be accepted, especially for engineering using partial difference equations. Okay. So this journal has 5.8 site score and 3.47 impact factor. This will be 30% of submitted paper will be accepted. Okay, so this journal will be has been indexed in various many more databases like such as Science Citation Index and Web of Science and Emergency Citation Source. The final one is Artificial Intelligence in Medicines. This is an Elsevier journal. It has 8.0 site score and impact factor is 5.326. Okay, you can see here aim and scope of the journal. Okay, original article from a range of interdisciplinary perspective, the artificial in medicine, medically oriented human biology and healthcare systems. Okay, so AI based clinical decision making and these kinds of medical related papers will be accepted for the publications. Okay.